One thing I took away from day one business breakthrough is that the mail call C, you're never bothering people as much as you think you are, and to stay in touch does not take much at all.
Hi, this is James Mondo from West Palm Beach. I had a tremendous time. I've met so many leaders in the industry. We've shared tools and techniques to get us through anything and everything that happens in real estate, and I highly recommend it.
Hi, my name is Angela Johnson. I'm a realtor at Roberts Brothers in Mobile, Alabama. I came to this year's business breakthrough to help me build confidence and gain structure. I got above and beyond my expectations. So if you need structure in your business, this is the place to be.
Hi, I'm Lexi Zale from Cincinnati, Ohio. I came to Floyd Wickman because my team suggested it would be a great event for me. I was highly happy with what I got. I learned dialogue for any prospecting, door-to-door contact, face-to-face, anything, buyers, sellers. I also met tons of new people and tons of new agents.